Big day. Fridays always mean that it's handover day. Handover day means we're making people's dreams come true, and today we have made her dreams come true in more than one way. We have customized probably the most exclusive Ferrari to date, and I cannot wait to hand it over. But what's even more interesting is we have a documentary film crew which is going to be observing everything going on, so let's see what happens behind the scenes. The unique thing with us is we actually do customize quite a few cars, but customizing in normal terms is wrapping cars, maybe putting a body kit on there, maybe changing the wheels. However, what's been done today is on another level altogether. I don't think this has been done worldwide, definitely not in the UK for sure. It's already taken quite an exclusive car, a Ferrari 458, duck a world recognized body kit on there, a Liberty Walk kit, and then changed the entire car from factory. So the interior from black leather seats has gone to blue, which Bonnie was very specific about, everything has to be blue. The dash has been taken out, it's been changed to blue. The carpets have been taken out and changed to blue. The engine rocker covers on the back, which is in this red, that's what Ferrari is known for, having these red Rosso Corsa rocker covers. She's like, I don't want any red. We've taken the engine out, dismantled it, painted that in blue. The calipers were red, taken the wheels off, taken the calipers, the brakes, bled the whole system, changed those to blue. Customized the whole interior, put mood lighting in there, put a sound system in there, lowered the car, made it wider, made it spit flames, put an exhaust system on there, added Apple CarPlay. I mean, we have gone to town with this, and it's quite an exciting process to actually see something go from a factory car to a completely customized car. And then on top of that, it's also very exciting to say that us as a company have done this and put it out on the road. So I'm genuinely really excited to see her reaction, see what she thinks about it, and can't wait. One thing when you buy a Ferrari and you're talking a couple of £100,000, but to spend the equivalent amount in customizing it is unheard of. You can buy a Ferrari for the amount she's spent on just customizing it.
Okay, so we've finally started the 458 Liberty Walk. For many of you who know, Liberty Walk are a famous brand or a famous body kit brand in Japan. We happen to have two of the cars here, one Liberty Walk in body shop, the Aventador, and this one behind me. This one's going to be completely changed, so everything you see is going to be completely different. Apart from the carbon, that will stay, and the black roof. Otherwise, interior is being retrimmed into a completely customized, unique look, and the exterior is going to match as well. So the customer's gone to town with the spec. It's going to be a complete one-off. It's a one-off as it is, but it's going to be even more of a unique car. When they bought the car, we went through every fine detail. So the interior was discussed with the client and I in terms of what was going Alcantara, what was going leather, and the color. In terms of the exterior, we were going to decide on different wheels. However, after a lot of thought, the customer decided to keep these wheels on because they look really cool and it's unique to this car. So we've left that as it is. In regards to the interior as well, we're going to put some lighting that the S-Class have, like ambient lighting. We're also going to fit Apple CarPlay, which this year of the Ferrari didn't have at that time. So we're going to install that. And the engine intake manifold, which is red on all Ferraris, is going blue to match the car. So that's going to be unique as well. So the servicing guys will be on this shortly to take it off. In regards to the exhaust, they were deliberating whether they wanted it louder, but it's already got one and it's a very loud exhaust, so they're going to leave that as it is. They're still coming up with new ideas for the car, so this won't be the final stage. Whether we're going to get a bigger screen in the car, whether we're going to get an exhaust or air ride, we don't know, but stay tuned to find out. The car will be completely different. The exterior, interior, we're doing some stuff in the engine. Vadim's going to do ambient lighting, so the whole car is going to be completely different. In order for that to happen, the car needs to be a skeleton, which is what it is right now. Even the windscreen's coming out to get the dashboard out, so we're going all out to make sure this job is done properly. So this is the intake manifold. Again, all the servicing guys can comment down below if I've got it wrong. But I think it looks incredible. It looks really, really cool. Talk about customization. I've never done anything like this before. So this should be going on back into the car, I say maybe in 2 days' time. Interior should be done in 2 days' time as well, so all going to go ahead at the same time. I think it's going to look wicked. The customer even likes it as well, so happy days. Just to show you the level of customization we're doing. So So this is placed on the engine compartment, that's on the boot. This was satin, we've done it in gloss. This is the color of the wrap, it was previously red. So this is just a small indication to show you how much we're doing on this car.
I think the unique thing about us as a company, we've taken the supercar dealing stage to another level. So originally supercar dealers like to do everything behind closed doors. But in the modern day and age, people like to shout about their wealth, they like to shout about their success. They work so hard and they want to show off their assets. So we now collectively have over 2.5 million followers online on social media, and people want to use that. So the likes of Bonnie Blue had come to us saying, I want to purchase a car, but we want to use your socials. We want to show the process of me buying a car through the phone call stage all the way through to the handover stage. So we get a lot of celebrity clients who want to sort of share our followers. We get rappers, singers, Premier League footballers. And then at the same time, you get people who want to stay very quiet about it, but then do hear about us through our social media channels. I think she's trying to make a bold statement. She's clearly come into money. I'd say she wants to make it very known whenever she's being driven around. Obviously her tag name is Bonnie Blue, hence the reason why everything on the car is blue. Just be careful when you're driving it.
I've not drove in 4 years either.
No, you're joking, right?
No, I've not drove in 4 years. Because when I moved to Australia, I didn't drive, and then when I've come back here, I don't drive.
Yeah, she's not driving. Maximum 1.2 litre.
Oh, you're not driving it?
I've honestly not drove in 4 years.
So you should put your
Is
foot
it not
down in first
automatic?
gear. Yeah, it's automatic.
Oh, so it's not got a first gear?
Yeah, you should paddle. First gear only. I have no idea how to drive it.
Yeah.
If it's automatic, it doesn't have a first gear.
You ready to see your one-of-one custom 458 Liberty Walk?
I'm ready.
Fully customised in blue wrap, carbon everywhere, wide body kit.
I wonder how I paid for this.
You know, one of my favourite things on it is the engine. Congratulations, Bonnie. Here's the keys
Thank you.
to your new 458 Liberty Walk. Whole car's obviously been wrapped in blue as you requested. The brake calipers have also been changed to blue. The contrast writings in black and white, all bespokely done. The engine covers, which were red before, have now been painted in blue. Got obviously the full wide
When
body
I asked for the
kit.
brake lights to be changed.
Yeah, I know. That's impossible. I mean,
No, I know. I forgot there was brake lights.
But we got them covered on top at least, so not everyone can see the red on the back.
No, that's cool. I like
got
how that's
blue-
shiny blue.
Yep, blue tips on the exhaust, which does spit flames, and it's been mapped with decats. Fully customised interior, so all the seats have been done to blue. Blue
give you
seat
that.
belts, blue dashboard, blue on the steering wheel as well. Carbon on the door cards, blue just behind the seats.
That looks
You've
really
also
cool.
got your personal touch where it says Bonnie Blue on the headrests.
Oh, that actually looks really good. Can you see it? That's really loud.
One more time.
Give it a bit
One
more.
more time.
Yeah.
What, put it all the way to the floor?
Don't hold it there, just go like really down and then that back up again.
Okay. Okay. Anyone from McDonald's drive-through?
You've now finally seen it, what do you think?
I think it's really nice. It's beautiful.
Yeah? Mm-hmm. What was your first initial reaction when you actually saw it come to light?
Fuck, that looks good.
Yeah? Because
Yeah,
you
it
were,
looks
you were
really
part
nice.
of the design process from the beginning, but then you never really actually got to see it in person, and now that you've finally seen it.
No, I never even obviously came to see the car whatsoever. It was like, what, 2-second FaceTime call, and I was like, yeah, that one.
That'll be the one.
Yeah, I just know I wanted everything blue. But I was concerned it might look tacky blue.
Yeah.
But it doesn't.
It
It
looks
does
quite
look
classy.
nice. Yeah.
Where are you going to take it? Where's your first drive?
Oh, McDonald's drive-through. Where
Really?
else would you go? If you got a new car, where would you go?
Okay, mate, this is not going to fit through a drive-through. Please don't do it. You're going to curb every rim on it, curb the side cars in.
It'll just keep you in business. So I keep coming back saying I've rimmed it again. To be fair, they look quite difficult to chip.
Yeah, and no, not even just chip. They're really difficult to fix as well. So.
Oh, well, I've heard you're good at your job, so you'll be okay. No, McDonald's drive-through, I think. Or I'll get out and go into McDonald's.
Yeah.
I don't know where I'm actually going to take it because it's got no boot. So I can't go shopping with it.
Haven't you not seen the boot?
No.
You have. You actually do have a boot.
Huh?
You have a boot.
That's actually space.
Yeah.
That's actually quite big. Yeah. You have to get in it for a photo.
And then, yeah, I mean, how long do you think you're going to keep it for?
Does it go up in value or down in value?
This will be going up. I mean, because you've customised it and made it so bespoke, it's going to be a very unique car to try and resell again.
Yeah.
But it was the last ever naturally aspirated V8, so it's like basically a special Ferrari that was built, and it's one of the last ones that were done of that type. So they are
Yeah.
going to be going up generally, but
But because I've customised it, maybe not.
You've customised it so bespoke. You'd have to put it back to factory then for us to think about, selling it again.
Yeah, no, I don't think I'm going to sell it.
Where do you even go from here? I mean, like, this is insane.
Oh, to be fair, I need a Sprinter van.
Oh, yeah?
So that's next on the list.
Okay.
Because I like to sleep in the car.
Yeah.
And I'm going to have to get like a Sprinter van.
Okay.
So I can watch Netflix.
Nice.
Then I can have like small, medium, and large. It's good to have a variety of sizes.
Yeah.
So I think that's what
So
will be
wait,
next.
this is going to be small. What's medium?
Like a Range Rover?
Okay, nice. Oh, yeah, you got the SVR as well. That's wrapped in the same colour.
Yes.
We didn't get to put it here side by side.
It's here somewhere.
Yeah.
And then, like a Sprinter van.
Okay, nice. And it's got to be blue, I'm guessing.
Oh, 100%.
Everything on the inside and outside
Everything has
blue.
got to be blue.
Nice.
In fact, do you like my outfit? I'm dressed like a Ferrari
Yeah, I do.
driver today.
I mean, if you stand really close to it, it'd almost be like we can't see where Bonnie is.
I'm camouflaged in.
Yeah. But cool. No, I'm happy. I'm very, very happy that you're happy with it. And put it this way.
What would you rate it out of 10?
Okay, I'm going to be dead honest with you. In the
Right.
beginning, when you were saying what to do to the car and you were saying you want to do this, you want to do that,
Yeah.
I'm like, oh my God, this is crazy. I don't know about it.
Was I making your toes curl?
Yeah. Yeah. But, yeah. But,
It's all right, we're all slow at times.
but when I saw it come to life a couple of days ago, I was looking at it, I was like, that has to be one of the craziest cars I've seen. And we've got cars that have £4 or £5 million in here. And the
Yeah.
guys were just driving this past, one of our technicians, and he was like, I've been in Koenigsegg's, I've been in Pagani's, I've been in one of ones in the world. I've never had as many people break their necks and look at this the way
Really?
the way that people are looking at this, like this is insane.
I think it is really, really nice.
You're going to get a crazy amount of attention in this. As not that you don't at the moment, but that car's going to work wonders.
Yeah, I think
So-
it's good. So where would you suggest I take it?
If you go into Mayfair,
Mayfair?
you're going to break some heads over there. So what's one thing that you would always keep in the car?
The washing up liquid you put on the windscreen.
Okay.
Because I was once driving down the motorway, had no liquid stuff.
Yeah, washer liquid.
Had to pull over on the side of the road, and the only thing I had in the car was a chocolate protein shake, and I put that on the windscreen.
No way.
It made it so much worse. I ended up having to call AA and say I've got chocolate milkshake on my windscreen.
Is this a true story?
True story.
That is crazy. Well, hopefully I get to see it on the roads, and I look forward to seeing you drive it around.
Hopefully it doesn't get towed away.
Yeah, hopefully not.